Our newest product is the Elm Dirt Sword, and this is an all-natural pesticide, and it's safe for indoor or outdoor plants. And so this is a spray that doesn't create a coating, so this is a clear application, and all you do is just spray it on the leaves, and it will prevent your leaves from getting munched on. It is not going to kill all bugs, so no all-natural pesticide is going to kill all bugs for you, but this is a good deterrent against aphids and spider mites, and generally just the regular pests that you're going to see. It's not going to take care of caterpillars that munch on your leaves because it is all safe for pollinators. It's not going to harm them as long as you don't spray it directly on a pollinator. They don't like water on their leaves or on their wings. But it is safe to use in your house, in your outdoor garden. You can just go ahead and spray on. It's got in here chitosan, so that's really good at strengthening plants, but it's also good at deterring certain pests. And we use a vegan chitosan in here. It's a mushroom-based chitosan. So it's safe for even our friends that have shellfish allergies because sometimes chitosan is made from shellfish. It also has rosemary oil, which is a deterrent against certain pests, and a little bit of soap as well. So if you've ever used any of those ingredients, this is an all-encompassing spray that is easy to use, safe to use. Just shake it up and spray it on your leaves and it'll help deter those pests for you.